Welcome back to Toga TV, and this is a brand new movie called Backstabber. Watch this movie to the very end, so you can tell me if you need a part 2. We are going to part 2 still, but more know what you think. You understand? So watch the movie at the end, like, share and subscribe. And before you go in a movie, more beg you a deep favor. Them have a trip a come up. Papa them a do a trip in December where them a go Panama. And ask if anybody out there want donate towards the ticket. Ticket is probably, well, I don't remember the ticket price, but link me up on the number on the screen so you can tell you what I go on and give you more information. But the ticket have to book this month, because if it go closer to December, the tickets are gonna go sky high. So it's best to book it this month. So if you can help me out, contact the number on the screen. Watch a movie at the end.
Oh God, what are you doing here? You never tell me say you come.
Oh, I never really tell us I'm fat in a place now, but come down here now if you tell us before I move down here, I tell us I'm gonna move back in a place because I find out my business can do anyway. I have to live on the compound.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I have some things to some documents and so I can stay for a home and do my business and something. I have to really live on the compound.
Turn big shot now. Wow, you can work from anywhere.
Yeah, man.
And you choose to come home for work?
Yeah.
Oh God,
No,
that's why I
better than
love
home.
you.
Yeah, man. So I just there in a place I go and do what I can do and something and get things together. But in the meanwhile, though, I don't I think I go run some bike taxi. Man, put a bike on it.
Look, you make me hear them rise. Please, me I beg you. Me no say a big man and can make your own a decision, but do me I beg you. Let's you get a car taxi.
You know, so well, the bike I choose still. I'm not really. I don't bother trouble the bike. I just go and make some quick deposit and save up the money and put on some.
And that you feel up.
Yeah, I told me there saying in a place I go and do something in the meantime, because you know, work. I not work the whole day sometimes. So I want to run 2 bike taxi. But you say bike, I don't really make it. So I'm not go really full on the bike. And so you good though?
Yeah man. And you know, you ever know when pot come off a fire, eh? Me just eat my belly full. Right, you know me have a Buddha belly. Rice and peas and chicken in the field. Okay, you know, so my hands swell rice already. So there's more than enough. Oh God! So what? You come down for good from today now? You now go back now? You I
No,
eat
I have
that.
to go back. No, you realize something. You can't come down with.
So everything in the field where you have to go back for?
But naturally, I go back from the things in my farm. Just come down today to tell us, say, yeah, I'm working at this. Look out for me. You know?
You come today? You come back later today? Oh God, me miss you, know.
Yeah, I come back today. I just go for them and come back down and something. But I just say, you left food up with them, consume some.
You ever hungry?
Right.
Oh. Come here a minute.
Yeah.
You know how my old brain cells them work? Like how you come back home for a little while and spend time with your mother and your business will go good. Why you not invest it? Why you not think about put on a back room on the house?
Oh, put on a back room.
Yeah
man, as me tell us everything I come through, you know. Don't me start do me have to do and fix up, work up on some little things. So that can go on.
Yes, man, cause that is your future. You know, sir, anything happen. You know, sir, cause this are your yard. This will always be your yard.
Yeah, man, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
So I'm gonna work on that, bro.
Alright. That's why we love talk to you, you know.
Alright.
Yes.
Hello.
Yo, but that, what going?
I pray. How old is you?
You don't know my voice?
Can't pick up your voice.
I praise you, brother. You know,
Oh.
I'm telling you,
Oh, go on, man. Where the
there. Me and you say there in a place, that's true?
Yeah, man. Me fall back in a place, man.
Like, you there for good, yeah, cut the back.
No, man. Me there for good, man. Me nah move you know or something. Me there, me I did something, you know.
So you must can buy 2 beer drink today.
We link, man. Which part there?
Circle me out, me there bamboo tree right now. Circle me now.
Oh, me I consume some food up a yard and then me circle.
Wait, forward for some of my food or...
No, man. You're good, man. Turn which part there? Me I follow down there.
Alright, me I wait a bamboo tree.
Alright.
Yeah.
Crazy. Where we going? Where the fuck? No? Oh, yeah, I think you're the outside. Box food.
No, food can't too much. Wait that about. If you can make me throw back in this right now. I'll eat it.
But when I check in any food that me eat, you could have served me for 2 days. You know? Any food that me eat up there could have served me for 2 days. I can't come here to have more than me, so you're going to do that food more than mine. That's
I tell you something, Uncle Noah. Come on back on that pill.
yeah, man, me there back, man.
That boy. Go on, sorry.
No, no, go and fear and so you get money.
No, I didn't think I'm going to
You know, some of the thing about me put one bike on the road still, but me there go ride. The man tell me say no.
Put it on the road. You can put it back on the road and give me a ride. Run by taxi. I can't do that for you.
You know, say true. If she know I'm on the smallest can go.
Yeah, put your up on it.
You can't
Take one girl.
Hey, what go on?
You know, send me there. Any girl like me or something. But every minute, you call me in a storeroom, every minute I show me a friend. Huh?
So you not take it?
I see my girl, just can't call me when you walk, me when you walk. Yeah, call me at street, eh? I show me friend. This one time, I say I'm going to take it. I get fair, the girl set me up right.
You got till they walk.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's wicked, man. But
Girl
I think
set
about
me up
it.
road.
I think about it, because you're a good friend.
I'm so funny, you're the woman. Yes, the girl me take her 2 weeks ago.
Can't make your lead astray, man.
So, yeah, get your bike from me.
Yeah, man, I think about it, man, because you're a good friend.
A good idea. Because if you buy taxi can kind of around 8, 9 grand a day. When I give you that for a week, and you're good, 9 grand a week. Is that not good?
So wait, you can carry 9 grand a day, right? So when you carry 9 grand a day, and you give me 9 grand, right?
Yeah.
You rest a day then, where next 9 grand then go?
To me, no time.
No.
I hear a bike, so I have to pay you. Somebody pay 9 grand a week.
So you rest a 9 grand then we make a fee up?
I don't have to make less than 9 grand, but any of this money make out of film to
Alright.
the other week I pay you again.
Alright, here what? When I work your money them, you give me. Sunday, I give you pay money after it. So Sunday, that'll be a pay day.
No man, listen to what I say, listen. You see that idea here? I know I'm good idea. Every taxi man I run out with him boss now I get 9 grand now. And 8 grand a week.
Watch out now, we are coming with a new style. You understand? It more better so when I can every money come give me, right? Suppose I carry the 9 grand come give me.
How much you pay me?
Depends. Alright, if I get 9 grand, wait.
It depends how much you pay me.
Wait now.
Bro.
Alright, example say right. Alright, 7 days a week, right? So the other day run 6 days, right? So 9,000 times 6. 54,000, that you know. So 54, how much more I give? I give take away I give 15,000 a week. So more than 39,000. So 15,000 a week. I
That number, that number.
Good. Give an extra 5.
That number, a good idea.
Yeah.
Can I do that?
Yeah.
Karen, every morning, all women on 2 grand for carrying it.
Yeah.
I'm getting 15,000 a week.
No.
What do you know?
If I carry
You
two,
say,
let's say
carrying every money you ever make, I'm going to get 15,000 a week.
you know, say I'll be playing.
Think about it, man. Think about it.
I will think about it.
Think about it, right? So when I get the bike?
Let me think about it.
When I think, I mean, your son, yo, get the bike here.
Now get the bike, man.
Make some money off of your car. You know, like say, you're right. It. When we can make all 2 grand and carry him, I'm going to carry 9 grand. I'm going to get 15,000 a week. If you use the brain, you know.
Hello.
What's your name?
Sunny, what's the problem?
I'm Rashawn.
Okay, Rashawn.
They call me Prezi.
Alright.
You know, run the place.
Mm-hmm.
Like your face, they have a pretty face.
Oh.
So, focus on daily.
Why you want to know that?
I don't know, like, if you come up there and chill out a little bit. You're labor right?
Yes. But I don't really want you to
Labor
come
right.
this.
Lose down here, you know that?
That don't have to do with me.
No, you say you're bad now. You
Oh.
vote.
No. The vote?
So you're singing and say nervous.
No, yeah, annoy me.
Like your lips and I see it.
Oh,
Like
God.
sugar.
What you ask? What you ask?
Like,
Oh, well, who tell us something like
yeah,
that?
only girl me was see. You know, this alien and the spirit just take sudden.
Mine want to take a
As me
joke.
see you, like me see you, and I see me come over here, sir. Nice. Like your height, but you're on a good height. You would have match.
So, yeah, look, man, happy keep on your neck.
But
That's so.
keep on mind,
Mm-hmm.
I must suck me by my sandfly.
Sandfly can't get icky now?
No, you see, like, the overseas side. Cause,
So, you have fish?
no, me a fish, me work. That mix up my words. Me work on boat.
Oh, sunfly figure icky if you are no fish.
No, all of them bite me in same spot. The one time I don't know over there so they always a swarm over fish beach.
So
If
you
you
do
go
a
over
fish
there then
beach.
just bite the same so it gonna look like icky, but I not icky.
So you could bite it
show
nowhere else. Never bite it by your neck.
Me have bad skin. Key light skin.
Oh, the word is key like skin.
Yeah, key light skin you say.
Anyway,
so it gonna show like a hickey and a hickey.
Alright, long story short.
Oh.
I'm thirsty. Oh yeah, look, woman, we are talking, you know.
I joke this. Chew me a look yo. Me have to buy a drink some of my thing.
No, I don't want that. But a little water, I don't want a little water. Nothing for dinner that.
I think this me just buy it.
Oh yeah, look, woman, you can't buy woman one juice. What, $200 juice you can't buy? Oh yeah, look, woman.
You know, I'm not like a young girl nowadays. As man start talk to you, so you don't want to church out and say, hey, give me something, give me.
And as you see a little fatty with a little round body and stiff titty and a little body out the door, on thing pan up. So yes, make we thirsty.
If you buy one little juice, I'm just a
little juice.
I don't even know you stay yet.
That, I'm not for doing it, but it's a tropical rhythm I want.
Yeah, $100 can
$100 can buy typical rhythm, you know.
This me have baby.
Listen to me, you just broke and pop. We don't know what me even do right now. You don't even have nothing.
Come here.
What? Talk. You irritate me.
Me go buy one bike. About 2 days from now, me buy one bike.
One bicycle?
Go see bike.
A second-hand bike?
buy brand new bike, me a bike. You
You have
go
money?
see what going. Me no must have money to buy a bike.
So you
And
have money to buy me a tropical rhythm?
Yeah, me no chase me there. So,
You just broke and pop.
well, me go show you something. You wanna see me a ride past. You know, bother come stop me. Yeah? That me I tell you now. And that young girl, when you see man look a certain way, when you think say man nah nothing, you stay there. So me no got a machine. Me open my account. I got a machine. But dog buy bike. You know. I tell people about me I get bike. Who can buy bike, Father God? Please. Please, me and babe. Go show you something, yeah? I go show you something 2 days from now. If I 2 days bike.
Yeah, man. Me love the people work and then do the work good. They really clean up the yard for true. I go buy my drink on top. Where you come from? Where you come from?
You don't know what I'm saying? I want a me long time friend them. We go link up with and he say this is one of the police with me. So I go check on the reason and thing. So
Me don't tell you already say too much friendly no good. That's why I'm really glad when you live up out to the area. And them the breed of friend you have. Them not good.
I'm a friend for a long time, you know. So I'm glad for you know so me there in a place. I'm gonna give him a check and reason with him to catch up back, you see me? I know really nothing to bad I know. Nah, come on man. If you know better, if you know your son better than that.
You have to be careful, you know. You see people face, you know, see them hearts. And them friend, same one can stab you in the back. Why back? Because them are the one that's close to you. Them know everything about you. Don't chat, especially your plans.
Mommy, not my friend them. My friend them are different type of friend, you understand? My friend them not do me nothing. If you then try to do me something, me can't see it spiritually. Call me something spiritual, you know.
Which part are you spiritual?
Mommy.
Your head's so tough. Whether the ancestors tell you don't go there, or me tell you don't go there, or whoever tell you don't go, your head's so tough.
Mommy, that's
you're
not
not listen.
If you tell me not go there, and the ancestors them tell me say me fi go there, me I go work with the ancestors them because them know things, them are see things, them are visualize it. You understand? Me never see your church yet, you know.
Church make you spiritual.
No.
That's why me laugh after you when you say you're spiritual.
You don't believe in a God.
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Oh. If me never believe in God, me wouldn't raise you. So a 2 finger you give me, boy. A 2 finger you give me, boy.
No, mommy, relax, sir. I just want to look at.
Me not like it.
Alright. Me just say, what me I say to you is, me good man. You don't have to worry about me. Like you want to turn me in a house, right? You want me there in a house. Me I sleep away with me. Son come carry the chimney. Mommy, I hear chimney in a room. I can't feel chimney. Remember, say I have to work, you know. I have to get up and work. So I can reason with my brother. I work reason about.
Okay. So when me carry you for how much months? Tear up my inside, deliver you for how many hours? Wipe your nose, your snotty nose. Wipe your shitty backside. When you all piss on me, vomit on me. Make me stay up and let lose sleepless nights over you and I work me the work. So me ask you if you can do one thing for me and a hard work.
They come from they saying they with whole heap of work and then come down here saying I can't fetch me now. And so my thing them they are from little boy style now. I'm a grown man now. Understand?
You can't pay me back for the amount of shitty pampers and the shitty pissy pampers me do for you. So the one thing me ask you do is a problem.
Right now. When me put on a little one back room now, me there in my quarters, right? Me have my stove, me have my own back door, front door, not back. Front door, me have my stove, my fridge, everything. Me there in my quarters, there your quarters. Same to you come to my quarters to come count your me feel.
So when you build 1, 2, 3, 4 rooms pan the house, which room you build pan the house make me stop you being my mother? Tell me the number. And then me can't talk to you. You see the number room you build and make me stop be your mother? Go with history. Cause you can't go back in here, so. You're too big.
I don't want to go back in this.
So, the day me stop being your mother, is the day me stop ask you to do things like say me not do things for you too.
Yeah, but that I pass, mommy. Me can't repay for that and thing, but you can't bring up that.
But you're bright. And one little dege thing me ask you to do, you take out a street.
Enough of that, I go all fresh. Say me can go for my things, then I know move down and something. So, enough of talking. If me there start talk with you, the talking now go for my things, the man can come in and me have to go for them. So, go and vent yourself.
And remember who you're talking to next time too, I make 4. Oh.
Hello. Yeah. Why you send me 300,000? Yeah, I want to buy the bike. No sir. No buy no brand new bike. I want second hand bike, I buy for the time being. Yeah, I want to test my friend loyalty. I want to give him the old bike, make him go and run taxi and see what happens. Yeah. Just send me 300,000, man. I'll just get one second and I'm done. Yeah. Alright. Let me know as soon as I send it. Yeah. Cool?
Morning, son.
Morning.
I just as we're coming through, me now fast in your business. I really bite me hear you talk about.
Yeah. I'll buy one bike, one second hand bike. I know for me, you know.
So you buy bike for people?
I'm a friend, I know for people, mommy, I'm a friend. I give him for run taxi and say, you know, I work or something. I come back in and I try to do something for you local youths around here. I help out, I start with my friend, I help him out.
Mine, you are ride the bike on this and I try to style me, you know?
No, mommy, I'm not on the bike.
So you
I'm go on the bike.
So you a look bike for business and I go give friend and business, not agree. Friend, family and money enough doing a business with them.
Mommy, I'm a friend that, you know. Alright. I'm a long time friend that for a long time. So not wrong if you want to bike taxi from that and want to bike taxi.
You sign contract with him. Business is different from friendship, you know.
It's not when a friend time. When a business and money we are talking about.
Exactly.
So me and him make you know how the payment will go, and depends on the money we make, we pay him after that.
A word about business. You can't do that nowadays, son. And come on for the bike thing and the friendship. I prefer we would hear you say. Yes, even if you buy a bike for somebody else, you know, say you would do better with strangers than friend.
Yes, but what you know, me go buy a bike with stranger. When in the pan road, if he feel like he take you and gone, I'm a friend. In go and in come, he can get back my bike. Me go give stranger, I don't know from Adam.
That's why you do everything legitimate. Business is business. You get them for sign paper and things so you know where you're at. Me
Yes,
not like
mommy,
the
they sign
friendship
paper
thing.
when they gone, how me I get it back? When they gone,
that's what police they there for. And please God, nothing like that come true.
Police not do nothing.
Me know
police
that.
are type of people.
Me know that, not unless you pay them.
Yeah, but the police have got no gunshot it. So, as me I say, mommy, I put my trust in him. I'm a friend, I'm a trust him.
Me not get a good feeling.
You know.
Me not get a good feeling.
If you run the first week and me feel like me and him have issue, me just cut it off. You understand? The first week, I give him until the first week.
You know, listen to
that's why I buy a second hand. I'm buying a second hand, not a brand new bike. A second hand, and I pay all the money and buy a brand new bike.
Me not like the friend and business, you know. And you don't have nothing done in a writing. Them is the quickest one for her too. Them say keep your friend close and your friend and me closer.
No, me like you get up every day for lecture. Just give me a chance, make me prove myself now. You can't tell me do that. My head tired, it'll explode, it'll bust.
Alright.
Just give me a chance, just breeze. Just give me a little space, you know them little something there.
Alright.
Yeah. Just trust me.
No problem.
I've gone.
What?
There, man.
Oh, how you do run there, so?
You know, sir, I'm back in a place and some business, me there deal with and something.
Oh, so what going with the business?
Well, business I work out, you know. Me there try to see if I can get some paperworks and see if I can buy a bike and put on the road to run taxi. And then,
No, you run taxi?
No, not me. I go on my virgin.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah.
Figure one of your budget them for run taxi for you.
You run taxi.
You don't have to do with the money.
Me have my work differently, you know.
You don't have nothing to do with the money. You see, if you don't have nothing to do with it, let me tell you something. Carry can't give me, make keep it for you.
No, I don't know. Me have my work, you know.
So if you have your work, I'm
But
over
I
to
do something in the meantime, I look hustling on the side.
Alright, yeah, well. Lend me the money. Me keep it for you and go and invest on it.
So it's same
Each
thing.
year, me put 102 bills
So now
on it.
me I do.
No, me can't do it for
No
you.
investment.
Listen to me. You don't have no sense in it. You have to buy something right now, right?
You want to buy a bike here to make you run taxi?
That's the thing, me a woman. Nobody not gonna trust me enough to put me on them bike. They come on my bike. See, I talk to me there so I get pan up. Oh, go with it
Well,
one
you can
day.
try, you know. You can buy a bike and you tell me say me give you money to invest. Me buy a bike give you and you invest. Me buy a bike give you, you ride it and make tax. You can't female then if the man them not trust you and you invest.
What you talking now make no sense. I feel like say, carry the money come give me. Make me keep it for you if you don't have nothing to do with the money. You take up yourself now, buy a bike, you smarty. What am I gonna do with it? No mash it up. Every week, this a part I want, this a part I want. Half that cow fat, what?
I just buy. As me say, me have my personal business, but one look hustling. I just buy a bike, this man. Then I like, me not buy a new brand bike. Buy a look 1 second and give them something. You understand? Just that me.
So all life find our eyes.
Life good, you know. It's good to be in the place and see some people when me left way back then and you see me reunite with them. What if I friend me about the place and things so. I just see it. You see a taxi there, I look on.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I don't buy the bike yet.
But another thing now, if you buy the bike, how do you have the bike?
Yeah, but I could have called you know, pick up and sister you know, and call her.
So anyway, you know my number, you know my number. I mean, I have my phone now.
Well,
And I told me I run go buy two something, so I leave my phone and everything.
that no sound tree bad, you know. You can keep contact and if you want to buy a taxi, you can call.
Say that no woman that text you.
No, so I mean, I know woman don't really text me and no one them. So as I tell her say a business me I deal with, right? I'm not going to live with my mother there. Cause this man I tell me not to buy a bike give friend.
Alright, you see that me that tell her earlier.
But me I tell him say if you just relax cause you know me I do my thing you see me?
Well, I tell her already, you know. You know, make no sense to buy no bike, you know, friend. And you know, next thing mothers is always right. You never know that. Anything your mother say, yeah, sometimes we have to listen. Sometimes we have to put them no want to listen, but we have to listen because mothers know what's best.
Well, she know what's best, but she do when she do make me try do something, right? If it no work out, then me can say, well, she did tell me, but
that I think now, we young people love to say that word, the only if we know.
Anyways, me I go up on the road, because I know more of a son like me, you know son like a mother. I
Alright.
don't think a mother chat to me saying no.
Alright, just link me.
Yeah, we take the app.
We'll talk to them.
Watch out, you say I come check you
Yeah, are you me say me I look for? Come here, yo, last night me not sleep, me never be there. Come here, pray, say, come out the road. Me a pray, say, yo, you buy a bike.
Watch out now.
Me a pray, yo.
Me I got job. You see
When?
me? Today.
Today.
Me get the money, me I
Come
got
out
job.
the road,
But me say me have to
drive hard. Eh?
me I got job, but me say me have to lift you and make you know so.
I'll call me catch up and me drop asleep out that door. I'll call. Me say, mighty God, please make this man buy a bike, give me car. He would even know what that do for me, Father God. I'm a pray, I live by I'm a foot bottom. I'm pray.
I think you make a call, you see me? Say me go to Bams and make a call. Tell somebody say yo, send one piece of money, you see me?
And you get the money?
I do a them this a call me back too. Yeah.
Deal with it.
I come right now, man. I down on the road.
I people them.
Yeah. You see him road, man. You see him road. See him road, man. Further down, man. No,
me direct them. Me direct them. Yeah, hello. You know how we in the right down our range of this up. In the range of everything that way back down so. So when I come with the money, you come and range of live the same mother live. Yeah, she understand.
Alright, you understand now? Alright.
She understand.
Alright, I don't know that.
She come with how much money?
Eh? You don't want no much. You don't want no much money, man. Just
A brand new bike, you know, say.
Yeah, man.
A brand new bike I get.
Not really brand new, but brand new. You understand? Nah, no problem.
Well, me no want know if a brand new and a new, me just want to know, say, we get the bike and the bike, yo, me tell you that at 24/7, me want to on the road now.
Yeah, man, you have to do it.
What I mean 24/7, me no got me yard.
Yeah, but
me on the road and me a run taxi.
You want to chat here, boy, you understand? You see if, example, a man in time when you depend on at 6:30.
No, you not understand. You not get what me I say.
Oh,
You not come off me a run by taxi every day. Me a run.
You not get paid for the day.
Every day me a run. Every
sick
day.
if you're on the road.
Me not sick.
Alright.
Me not sick. Me get up a morning time and pray. Me not sick.
Good.
God a cover me.
Yeah, man, so just go on, just wait for me call you. If you see your phone ringing,
so I get it today.
Yeah, man, I people them call me.
I mean I get it today if you go on.
Yeah, I get it today, you I get it today. We can start off today.
So you're gonna license everything in my name and here.
Well,
you see that better in a family name still. And still cause me a be rider.
alright, I carry things them come give you and you deal with it.
Yeah, just give me money and me license and insure and go on the road.
Alright.
Yo, me respect you, dog. Yo,
man,
can't believe, bro. Can't. I don't me a wipe code for me. Sorry about that. But
good,
respect and love still. Right now, me there go a shop, but me a go bed right now. Right now, I bed. Cause me say me not bed from last night.
Oh, you finally go bed
now? Me
now?
a pray.
You want
I don't want
to
me see.
no, don't touch money for me bike.
Buy more jam, buy one soup.
I'm money. Yeah, I'm money. I go meet this man with an hour.
Alright. Now go. You know, not $100.
No.
Alright. Yep, I'm going.
I start me. Oh, you know, say some work.
No, up the road me come from.
Listen to me, me not want nobody to start me. You look like you're sick.
No, I look cold me catch up from last night.
You know, beard?
Listen to me. I work.
What do you
In a bush. You smell me?
Yes, me smell it. Me not gonna lie, you're green.
Until then, I drop the bike.
So that's what you do.
No, me just like show you say. Me and a capper, yesterday me tell her that, but me I make it a point and me do it, so me I show you say, we got things.
You think me one of them girls that we're gonna make a jump when, as you tell me something, me make a jump in my jaws and when me look, no drop but my jaws?
Listen, man, me never yet asked you about...
Hold on a close. So you have a keep on you?
Tell me Oski.
That makes no sense with all.
This is my Oski.
Me hear you.
Me never yet asked if you front. Me say me like you, me never yet asked if you front you.
Alright, so you're gonna look me.
Oh, you reach
you're gonna look
argument.
me. And we're gonna 6
It's
7 years. So you're not gonna take none of the front.
No, me never say me no want.
So the same thing when me look and me just one door drop. No bike now go drop, no car now go drop, no money now go drop, nothing now go drop,
no,
just me just.
Me I go drop a bike today.
So drop a bike today. So alright, me thirsty.
Word, you go see say me a man.
Me thirsty today.
Word, you understand?
Me thirsty today.
Huh?
Me thirsty.
No, mama, listen. When your bike drop, you get amount of juice you want.
It come like a somebody a surf you and buy a bike. Because me
alright, what's up?
chop it car with him.
What's up? Hold on. I say, alright. What is that?
550 can buy tropical rhythm.
Buy it, sure. You want to give me back 2 more died?
This can buy tropical rhythm. You think I Kingston middle?
Tropical rhythm.
Not the small one. The big one.
Shiny. You
Give
get
me
the
the fear if you
cheap.
got China.
China.
Give me the fear if you got China. You don't even have a car, can me got China. So give me the fear.
So this me.
Me nah this, me tell you the truth.
This before me buy my bike.
Oh yeah, buy bike. You can buy more tropical rhythm.
You see, look more. When you left for what time you left for?
And this, you see this now? Stop me.
Me say me never know say you say you walk.
So
up the road me I go.
Go do what?
Me I go open my yard. Me I go hold a fresh.
So why you want
and go buy my bike? Huh?
Why you want through that lane?
No, me see one of my bridging, me tap on my bridging up the road.
You have too much excuse. Anyways, that's my lunchtime later.
You move so fast up the road me I go to you.
How long you say I come? Oh God, man. You know, so them tell me say I go do it. And now me prove say I go do it. Because you talk boy, you forward.
Yeah, man, rich, man.
So what you saw go on now?
I want a machine them want, you know.
Thing wicked, you know, when I
wanna buy them.
you're smart, you got a good school, you're smart.
Wanna buy them.
Yeah, man, so here what I go on now, no. As when I say when I come up in a life, me never really have a lot of help from people. People always try to help me down, but me help up myself. So me like how you try, so. Then I have the 3 bike I have now. As I say, this is one here, and the one with the red seat, in the middle. Also, I want in a license insure. Then I want a license insure. I just sell them out, because then we up on the road, people are run some taxi for me, and them are growing the thing, them are growing around about too much time.
Yeah,
so I just want to sell them out. I try to invest in something different. You get what I say? So I don't know which one you like, or which one you money like. You know?
So different price for them too.
Well, I want to tell you the truth, you know. This is a different price and different price. That I want different price. But where your money can afford, where your money like. Your money like a 1 year.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Catch one from Ford.
Well, in a real life, you know, as me say, you want you to where you try. You see me? So this one I know, I don't know where your money set, but I feel like you want the license insurance, you want me stop the insurance.
Well,
you want the license insurance?
Well, yeah. Give me.
Well, I look for 165 in a license insurance, cause you get what me I say?
True.
Yeah, I look for 165.
Yeah, man, I know it's one of my brethren them more make him go on to taxi pan him working.
Where you say look well?
One of my real G them man.
So I know you already got work.
Oh sir, I know work more if I.
You buy one of your brethren?
Yeah man, if you run taxi and I know you say nah do not one thing, I help you want.
Yeah, now you that come from far.
Yeah man,
your brethren.
Brethren.
Alright, me now hold you down, me gonna go motivate you. But you what me say now? Them your bike end up on the road. And you them want ride them, they not take care of them. So they might carry me down. And so me no want go down with them, me left them. So you see, you are buy a bike, you're a youth, and now you have to rate him and respect him. And me say, yo, my spirit take care now. How much me tell you for your bike again?
So one something.
165.
165.
Alright, give me 164, because I respect you. I rate you, yeah. Hold on, man. So you see, if you buy a bike, you're a youth, and now my father.
Yeah.
You have to watch him, you know. All of you rate him, you know, because business, you know. Yeah, because enough of the youth them out there ride the bike, them now take care of the bike, them just a wheelie and a drop off it and a mash up the bike and a go in your pocket. So that's the only thing me can tell you. You see me?
Yeah man, respect man.
Alright, so how much me tell you again?
164.
164. My spirit take care now. Give me 163.
163.
Yeah. Yeah, and when you're done you can make a guy bar, you can buy a bottle of rum, give me a drink. Yeah, 163. Why you say give me a man?
Yeah man.
Wait. Alright, give me 160. What me tell you?
164.
Like what you pay me in the US. You have ambition. Give me 160. Me not like 2, you know. Me not like 2. Give me 161. Give me 161, you're a good youth. If you want to buy me a juice, you can buy me a juice.
Yeah man.
Well, I'm panicky, me count the money faster. Yeah. I can count the money faster. Yeah. How much me say again? 165?
161.
161 me say?
Yeah man.
But if you me I get old, my brain now really click.
No man.
You understand? Count you over, because you don't look like I
No, I just have to check it.
Yeah man. You're some hey, Maria, you know you're smart. I be your business, you know, you're doing business here, 165. Yeah, 165. 165.
Yeah. Buy a juice.
God Almighty, man. See it there. That are the key.
These are the key.
Yeah, the only thing you want to do is just wash.
Yeah, man. That good.
Alright. And if you make a next money and you like a 1 year,
Yeah.
me I sell it too.
Same way.
Yeah.
Alright.
Big up yourself.
Alright.
That's good. Let's go with you. Yeah, man. What up, my mail? Right. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Hold on. Yeah, man. Yeah, good duty. You hear that? So, yeah, what? Big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Respect, man.
And so when you wash off and you look clean,
Yeah.
you see me tomorrow, you want to buy me a next beer. Me not like drinking, but me not have a problem. Big up yourself. Here.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Look more. Like the gate when I go.
Alright, I'm a general.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Hey, look. Nice, though.
You mean you tell me you spend the money buy this?
Yeah, man. We get a good deal for it, so I say, yeah. Why not? How?
What much joke you have? You tell me say you buy a new bike. Okay,
When I think about it, how much money you see me have me? I want a rich man.
That's too cheap. If you buy a new bike, prepare to go back that thing.
You still not gonna make taxi, you know? Taxi you want to buy. You still not make taxi, man. Stop going to, man. Test out
Look where back. Look for the back. Look where back.
So test it now, test it now.
God, the old.
Test it by. What number?
Nothing even showing that club.
But everything I work, man. Yeah, this.
I'm grateful still. I think I'll buy a new brand bike. You don't even get a bike clean. How much you pay for it?
You know, I'm ready to say, give me 161, please.
What?
161. 161.
You waste some money. 161.
Yeah. A good bike. Yeah, the thing I work.
You should have carry money and buy a bike, yo.
Oh, you like not on it, but it's a work, man.
160. You must buy.
See the hand the pan. A good bike, man.
I'm grateful. I'm grateful.
So you say I go run to a taxi.
Yeah, me I go run the road.
Go on pan the
So
road.
I'm feeling that now.
No, see me. But yeah, you need to fly one.
Hold on, I'm move the bike one time.
What's your no?
Yes, you know.
Remember say my money buy bike.
So he likes now.
Yeah, man, he likes man. And they said me want him. Without license, I want to say me take the license. And that's why I come to you and say, well, that's good bike, man. Yeah, better give me a neck or so. You know, you wash off your thing. I just want to wash it off or anything. It's a nice bike, man.
But my work is still. I go work and carry so I can do.
No, see what you can do. Do what you can do.
Yeah, man, I do man. I respect again.
Yeah, man.
I tell you, I tell you no lie. We do for me.
Yeah, man.
Give me a big start. Even though I don't know of
Yeah, man,
brand
don't worry
new.
about that, man. You wash off after your hammer and lock up a brand new bike.
Alright, let's see her.
Alright.
Hello. Let's see air passing. Let's see me buy my bike.
Me a pass to come here, friend. You buying a bike and have nothing to do with
tell
me.
us if you check me and sit there and you check me. You don't want to check me.
So this is a bike you buy?
Yeah. I told me go for a long journey. Yesterday, Me go a river, sit,
And creep up a carrier and then sit there.
No man, this a style.
This me talking about, this me talk carrier.
Oh.
Yeah,
You good man, I say.
brand new bike no come with that look so.
No man, you see when me go to the shop,
Mm-hmm.
a new bike ain't done. But me I say me can't wait for the new bike and to come. So me just say, me I take a second hand bike.
So you're gonna take a clean second hand bike.
So me I say, so me go a river yesterday. You know here, me go a river and me I come back. Whole I buy nasty. You understand? Whole
Which
I
river
buy.
you go?
Me go yeah, man, Sweet River.
The river of Mall.
Yeah man, so where I go, me drop it down the road.
Yeah, then you read me I go stairs, me I walk go shop.
Do me drop it down there?
Try contract me down there now. I look at you now.
No, say that one, me have money. I have money, I know.
Not easy like.
Come.
Step the bike up on me and stand.
Mother.
Oi,
Good morning.
morning.
I got news for you.
Good or bad?
Good news.
No want that then.
Buy the bike.
Me say good or bad and you say
No
good
good news
news.
that. No buy the bike. I give my friend it to run some friend upon the road and I mash up the road. So, you know.
You buy the bike after we talk and you need give friend.
Mommy, we not done talk about that already. We not done talk about you're going like you agree. We don't talk about that, you know.
Although me never really want you to ride the bike because anything less than 4 wheels no
Only
safe.
pet.
I must see for your pet.
Mommy, we ain't talk about this. You say, alright, buy the bike. If me sure I say my friend I'll go ready. I mean say, yeah, mommy. So why I make a big deal? If you say, oh, you buy the bike, come and don't tell us me I go buy the bike already. You not tell her?
And you have too much trust, too much friendly, no good.
Mommy, I'm a friend that from day one. Me come back in a place and tell me say, nothing now go on for him. At least me can do buy a bike, go and go run taxi. I'm a friend that for a long time, you know.
Yeah, and then your friend they make you live up in the first place.
Mommy, listen.
And you just come back.
Not that the friend they do. If not, if you happen to me, I think it happened to me a long time. Look how long many my family and him look how big good talk now. Mommy, I worry about the least set of things.
You get your things them down in writing. I tell you, say friend and family and business is no mix.
Stop talking about writing and this and that. What, you can't happy for
So
me?
who for name the bike coming now?
My name and me go buy it. Me go buy it. Me buy it with my own money. You want the money to buy some groceries in the house?
You think say can buy me?
Me not buy your mommy, but buy something at the house and make sure say you treat yourself and you know.
Thank you. Thank you, my son.
Yes, my mother. What? Mommy just go on that I just
Yeah, man.
yeah man, so just take care of yourself with that. You know? Buy a little something for yourself.
But thank you for this, my son, because you always remember me. But this now gonna stop me from worrying. Remember the story me tell you about Barbara? Remember? Huh? My friend from how long? My sister friend. Huh? And we have our study group we formed together at school for exam. And then day before the exam, she take all of my revision books them and look me in the square in the eye and fling them in the river. So me fail me exam them. And that was called best friend, sister best friend.
Mommy, I have to tell you that a different something from my thing. That are you and your friend them. My friend now do me that. That different from where you are go to. My thing different. Me and my friend different. I cannot use for your friend part and fry for my friend. For my friend and for my friend and for your friend and for your friend. I have to tell my dog now do me that. My dog and my dog.
Yeah, what you call him? Dog.
Mommy, me have to tell her say I'm my dear one bro that you know.
Every hole of him stick a bush, remember that? Huh? I don't want you to feel the pain of your own mistakes. It's one thing to learn from yours, but it's one thing better to learn from somebody else's mistake, and that may I try to save you from.
You learn from your mistake, no?
Mm.
Let me learn from my mistakes. Everybody have to make a mistake in life.
Yes.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So for me, in order for me learn, make me learn my mistake. If me give my bike for run taxi and things go sideways, you think me I go buy next bike here next money? No. I go look on it, say you have to learn off your mistake. Make new mistakes and learn off your old ones. But me tell you, just trust me now. Me have this, you know.
Me trust you. Me trust you. Have my life. I trust you with everything. Everything me have and beyond is yours.
You don't think me and my guy no argument from bike and something.
Alright, me now call
so
that down.
Something nice,
Thank
man,
you.
and buy some juice and thing. Me and come go on the road.
Alright.
Take care of yourself.
Alright. Walk good.
Yeah, man, everything good.
Yeah, man, you know, say, today I see me a car.
So, hold on.
Eh?
Hold on.
Yeah, come on, come on. Yes, you know.
No, me I sit here.
You want taxi?
Awesome. I'll see you now, taxi.
Yeah, play. Come, man, I drop my bag down the road, that's all.
No man, go on.
Eh?
I talk to my friend, I don't take me off Friday. Go
buy
on.
something for me down your road.
Go on.
You know, bother go down?
Nobody can take me off and put me on back. Them starting
know
to
back?
work. Yeah, me know him. Go on.
So buy something for me down your road and fall back. Yeah.
You think it's easier? You say give me.
Yeah, man, no one take my change.
Alright.
Wait, man. Buy. Why you buy some case of juice for me, see me? Just make one little grocery. I send you this for your phone. Money and some things for my yard.
Nah, my phone, maybe you could have come, man.
No, sir. No, man. You know me always buy, man. No, me always buy. You just buy it for me.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So, what happened?
There, man.
So when you buy the car, say you can carry me. You can't take them little boy that take me off on my bike. I don't know if it's that bike.
Why? No, I say, man, so grab a car and thing and just time, isn't it? Just in a place or something.
Oh.
Isn't it? But you're a good girl still. So where do you go for here?
Yeah, so when me had me, I come, I go down the road, go to talk for money, so me beg him carry me. And even me beg him carry me, him say me carry me.
I'll buy yourself one juice.
Thank you.
Yeah, man, you know we go to work.
Yeah.
Things will come in the right way, but you know we have to there go and see if we can put what we can put together and some style. So I just sit still.
Oh, so you not text me?
Not text you?
No.
Yeah, no star. Figure out you out.
So I buy, we see I buy your friend for run taxi. And I buy it.
Oh, buy the from yesterday.
So I'm not see it.
Buy the pan the road, you're going to see a right pan and you're not too new. Because I can't guarantee you right pan.
Well, enough buy taxi me go pan since yesterday and this morning. So.
Yeah, well, you buy right pan. No might you right pan.
Oh, you know, why you so sure?
Because me know.
Oh, like you start me doing that, right?
Start it.
Then oh, you know what me go pan.
Remember say somebody, you know, more I see bike carry up, carry down. You know, I'm not going to tell you who, but just know say you're right for
Me have sense and like me know how already. But anyways, I'll see you another day. Remember if you text me.
Yeah man, I'm going to text you as soon as we get it.
Alright.
Yeah, so say, and I know.
A bike or PS stress charge. PS stress you.
What more answer to this? You hear me? What I go on? I don't understand. No money. No heads up, no look, no. I don't understand.
You don't even know, bro. You see, third day me have a bike. A peer problem. The bike I'll try out. Yeah, I say, I'll come like this bike.
So you know, for draw that to my attention, man, buy some oil.
I tell you, say that's why I'm in a short about 2 weeks now, because the bike now go on good and the road sticky. Sticky, me I tell you, the road.
They are try look for your money and I say no money can come in and.
Listen, you know, and I like say, me no want to carry no money come again. I just to the road, bro. The road sticky and the bike, yeah, man, the bike. Look on the crank. A brand new crank now.
So what for there now?
Brand new crank now bike.
So I'm for the about this.
You should buy a new bike, man. Just buy a new bike and give me to go on the road. Because this is one of peer problem. I can't make no money. Peer problem, boss.
No, brother. I'm not say go.
You see all the bike aisle at 3,000 I pay for one buckle, you know. 3,000 for one buckle of bike aisle, boss.
Yeah, I'm not gonna buy a new bike, you see me?
I told me buy a gas station.
Yeah,
Pay a tax company.
Yeah, no. I'm not gonna buy a new bike. You work this, you finish off the day and carry anything you make, come give me. And just finish it week and then you call it a
said
day.
no, me. Look at. How long it take to start?
What's your
Let's
number?
see how long that take to start.
Yeah,
Say
go
me
on.
get a passenger and me a start up. By the time I start up, then gone with the next bike.
Do not turn off the bike. When you pull up on your bike stand, right? You neutral the bike, you keep it for maintenance, you keep it and you take your time and rev it.
So you want me rev out the gas still?
No, you're not rev out the
That
gas.
you tell me to do. And I can't go do that because I have to find gas to the bike, burn up and me with passenger and shame that. Nobody now want to take the bike
But you
again.
know, me a good friend for a long time, you know. And I don't want because of this, nothing come between, you see me? So just do what you have to do, man. Me tell you, say, finish off a day, work out the rest of the week, man. Forward the way you get, come give me and just call it a day.
I'm not do that.
Do what you have to, man. Look. Just go on and look, watch it out.
I know it. Watch it. I do that there.
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah, do right here, so you ever dip on the road?
Yeah, you know we have to have it upon the road. I did I try free, man.
What if I your mind?
Remember me I tell you, say, I get a bike. One of my friends went taxi.
Yeah, so you get that right there.
Yeah, me get the bike, yes.
So what go on?
But the man up on the road I run taxi and no money now come in. 2 weeks now. I don't know I get no money from him. I don't know what they go on. I don't know if I say me tell me I get a second hand bike for him. I get a second hand bike on him. He have a little complaint about it. Then he say alright, I work with him. No money now come in, nothing.
Maybe so what go on feedback? Nothing wrong with you?
I know the bike just no new brand.
I don't think
Everything
you
good.
forget nobody second hand bike for no taxi because remember say bike parts easily mash up. You're looking at two patrol, back shocks one fix, that one fix, this one fix. Second hand bike not for run taxi, no offense, but me know for sure if you have it for your day, you would understand. But maybe I'm just an idle. Maybe I want a little idiot to take your bike. But use if you get girl. Maybe you not pay attention to taxi business.
Nothing like that. But what me I go do? I go buy one new brand one, take by the old one from him. Keep the old one, make him go and ride the new one. If nothing do with the new one, we give him back the second one to ride. What do you think? Because I don't know if I choose the bike no new, make people don't really want to go on it. I say, I don't know. I don't really know about bike business.
Well, maybe.
Oh,
Hello.
Hey, girlfriend.
Then why have that have to come out your mouth first, miss?
Well, you see my son standing here with a nice young lady, and there's nothing wrong with my son. He's a good boy, good single boy.
I'm a local friend, you know?
Oh, well, nothing wrong with him for true, but I know my boyfriend and my friend.
Oh,
Yes, me more the dating because I don't want nobody so me there with nobody for their money and this and that, you know?
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what mommy?
Well, me just a walk and I go check my Sam. So, miss, what? Where you look for me so far?
You start check back one some again.
Keep your business to my business. Out the street. Me I go check my Sam to see if I'm alright. And me just
and
see you.
see if you're alright, then you know, understand.
So, on the walk good. Take care. Remember, so my son is a nice single
Mommy, go on,
young
go on
man.
up now, go on up now.
Alright.
You don't really look like your mother. I guess I get your father jeans. But anyways,
My jacket small, but
me I come go down the road.
alright then. Do ya, do me there.
Alright. What happened? Yeah, what's happening? But sisters, I want to taxi me a look. To carry me down the road.
You know, it's really untrue, Dorian. I run bike taxi.
Once I think a bike
Just see
taxi
me on the
around.
bike, I run bike taxi, man, because bike taxi I burn out my skin color and everything. Even though I'm black, I don't want to get no blacker. You understand? Yes, so I don't want to burn out my skin color. But like how I used to, me drop a go where I go, because you know, so I rate you. I just like that, because you realize that I'm start partner with your cousin. And you me give you money to carry.
Yes, I mean, I know why you keep on give me the money, no, my father. But anyway,
I carry the money, man.
I would like to carry me up the road.
No, I'm going to do it.
Yeah. Anyway,
No.
yeah, thanks let me have it. But I further out, I did that go around in. What?
Oh.
You know, say, in the bike world, I have one friend, I don't know if I know him, but I have one friend who buy one bike.
Oh.
He's somebody for run taxi. But about 2 to 3 weeks now, and it's not carrying no money. So me, I wonder if, you know, what could have cost that.
You know, carrying no money. But like, you have problem with the bike or...
I don't think nothing wrong with the bike if you don't want a second-hand bike. But
No, man. Second-hand bike, a whole heap of problem.
So the second-hand bike, this,
Yeah,
you have a problem with it?
Yeah, me have good amount of problem with it. Me have to service it extra. One bag of shit, me have to tighten up. You see all this, see some put us up. Of the engine, no, not to start.
I don't understand.
Guys, no, you connect the wire around good. So second hand bike, probably had that thing have problem with the bike. Then can run a bike taxi or something. I was on your friend there.
No, I'm my friend, but anyways, you can go up the road. Because I'm afraid of my dog.
Oh. Alright then. When
Yes.
you get the partner money still, me can check you. Probably can hold a reason.
Alright, yeah.
Sit down quiet though.
Yeah.
But not if I'm me. If I'm me, matter. I'm not carrying no money. So boy, I walk and I tell people in business. Watch him go. Watch him go.
You make it sweet. What do you do? Hair on you down? What do you?
Jesus Christ. And teeth your bike.
What?
And teeth your bike. Yo. I say me lucky. God of life. Yo. You don't know what say. Me there bike stand. You would say. Me fi carry him up Miguel height. And me a carry him up Miguel and me a say, oh a bushy place and me a come. And me a ring say, go on man, go on. And me a carry him till we top where him a go. And he say, he might take out the money out of him bag. By the time I look round, so I look back round, and one big gunny boy take out and 5 other man come out with the gun to as I come off a bike. Me have to come off a bike and me run till me reach up and so. Me can't.
So, I'm glad you don't get hurt.
Tell your
still,
father,
I say,
God.
I'm glad you don't get hurt.
So you one run from
Yeah.
5 gunman and not even a bruiser or
Me
cut
say,
or nothing?
me lucky, say me praise God right now.
Man,
Eh.
You're Superman.
But what you know?
Alive.
Worry about
Thank
that.
you, God, me alive right now.
I'm glad
God, 3 shot them bust out from me.
And you dodge
Three
all
shots.
3 and you dodge all 5 gunman. I say you
Three.
one bad.
No, mommy,
Yeah,
me
believe
run
this.
off.
Mommy, just relax.
When them shot them, I bust me and go so. And I run.
I'm glad I'm not
So
there.
no one I shot them to catch me.
Wow, so you one bad and
I'm
fast.
glad I'm not there still. But that at least, I'll chump change that.
Yeah,
You see me?
tell it, huh?
I chump change that.
How much you pay for the bike and I chump change that?
Mommy, just relax now. I chump change that, man. Make that go on. Let's see me buy
Yeah,
a brand
tell
new
her.
one right after I buy the one day.
Eh?
You don't know me because I buy a brand new 150 one of the money bike them, the white money one them 150 brand new. Right after I buy the one day, I buy the one.
You buy a next. Or
Yeah, me buy
second hand.
brand new.
Brand new.
Say brand new.
Oh, whoa. That's so you my son
that
rich.
don't change, man. That good, man. Don't worry about that.
God,
Then I
Lord.
live long for that, you know.
Shut
Then
up,
I
me.
live
Tell
long
her,
for
yo,
that, then go on with
me.
it.
Kid, yo.
So you got to
Can't
police.
believe I me turn around. I'm figure to police. I know my bike.
That's why you not care.
E-bike me even in my name. Him figure down there.
That's why you not care.
Mommy, you
No,
know
me never say
Me
me
want your
not care.
boyfriend already.
Make it still.
Auntie, me never say me not care. I not care about him. Me bike. Him
That's
figure
not true.
report it.
But
And you believe
Me
him.
can't tell him what go on.
Make that stay. Me not go to station. Make them go on. Then I live long for that.
Better just give me a new bike to go and ride.
I just wish that anybody who move with the bike, then just go lick up, you know, something else.
Yeah, man,
No,
because camera is a bit what goes around comes around. It's
But
like a lick them
Nobody,
hard.
no, don't say that,
You
man.
mean?
Don't say that.
So if them
You
TV
can't
bike,
say
one
that,
them go lick
man.
up in all and chuck over some one tree.
Sit down, sit. You can't reach bad for people. Them
All the gunman them that shoot after you can't wish
no,
bad
even
card.
though them do bad, they can't wish bad for them same way.
You see the
You have
friend
to
them here
just
to
make
warn you
them go
about.
on. You understand?
You see the friend them here warn you about.
If
That's
don't
true.
say good already, you can't wish bad for people.
Alright, so I'm say,
Anything wish people, you happen to.
well,
That
that's true.
then say.
Well, me have a brand new 150, you see me?
Give
So-
me for me go up on the road, cause mommy can't.
Tomorrow you get it, man.
Yeah,
You can't get
You
it
could
today.
never be so dunce.
Mommy, relax now. That the first bike, they are chum change, you know. I want 100 add me pay for that one day, you know. This is a new brand one, you almost
I mean,
500,
indulge
you know.
for me.
But that good, man. Don't worry about
Hold
that.
on. So you're gonna really go give him the new bike? Him say that happened. Mr.
Although me do
By
when
the
me a
man
ride
say
the bike,
that
no.
happened.
Me buy one ratchet with me put on the side.
I mean,
So
you know,
nothing
think you
can go
want,
on.
think you want to go nice and nice up and look young up and so. You know? 'Cause
Yeah, man, their nails and
I mean,
something.
they can't all of yourself in your day, stress out yourself and see up in that.
One of them to know what see.
They can't. You're good, man. You get the bike to ride, man.
No,
So,
give
I
me
get
bike
the
and no man. Cause you
Tomorrow,
know,
watch it now.
me don't want to sit down the rest of the day.
Watch it now. Take a time off today, you see me? Today, me I give you, me not charge of it today. Me I give you, today your day off. You see me? And meanwhile, you dey for your day off. You buy yourself something, you see me?
How are
man.
this?
Give thanks,
Yeah,
but
man.
give
How
thanks.
are this?
Yo,
Tomorrow
me I
me
tell
carry
you,
bike
yo,
and give you.
you see any, me never feel no way. Mother come on for a bike and kick down your whole of them.
Me know me.
What you show me?
Superman,
No, mommy.
Spider-Man and Superman. Hey, and my son turned Batman.
I'm not afraid of no boy.
You
I
don't
just
know
show,
there still.
I just show me kind of now understand certain things right now. Me no really.
No, you want me not
You
understand
got on
either.
there still. But
Yeah,
tomorrow,
man.
me
Can't
carry
believe it's a new bike.
Yeah, man, new bike tomorrow. Man.
Yeah, man. No
You see
boy.
me car, me no want to give you bike today, you know. Them I want to program the same way.
Yeah, well, I me
next
say,
one.
no wish bad for nobody.
Let them go, not good.
Yeah,
Let them
car. Yeah.
enjoy themselves.
What goes around comes around.
Yeah,
you
that
done
thing
tell
say.
him that already.
What
So
go
if
around
you live
come
off
around.
of your blessing,
What we
or
mean?
live off
Tell
of
her,
your
Yeah, man,
curse.
tomorrow.
Me I check it early now, man.
Me you check you.
No, me I check it early. Come
Watch
on,
it
touch
now.
the road early.
Yeah, but remember
Tomorrow Monday morning, you
Yeah,
them
but
go
watch
to
it
school.
Me always get up early and make sure say everything check, you see me? So same place where me always say me meet with the bike tomorrow.
Alright. Let's hear it.
Yeah,
Alright,
man,
mom,
come on,
just
me no
go
wanna
and
see you
pray
on the
for me,
road,
because I can't believe say you nearly. Alright.
Yeah,
I
man.
pray for you, Superman.
Go on in, man, and go.
Alright.
I want to know how you
Me don't know if I
want
threw
to
you run, but
I'm lucky to be alive right now.
yeah, man, I don't know if I threw you run, but boy, come and get shit up yourself. You smell, but I smell, mommy.
You really are going to give new bike?
Mommy, just relax, no man. Me tell her say I'm my thing. Me do my thing.
You're a farm fool.
Mommy, I'm a farm fool. What you want me do? All up with my money like you. Me rather young and have money and I spend it like my man than old and have the money.
Go report it. I like how them thief the bike. Anything them do pan the bike, I feel your name I go on it.
Mommy, I know
report it.
They don't have paper for bike. I mean have paper.
Anything police catch them with.
Mommy, tap worry
and your name them a come
Mommy,
look
tap
for.
worry about the bike now.
Alright. All me I say is strike one. Me did warn you.
You don't look like you want go now.
I hug you and hug me up.
No.
I hug you and hug up your mother. Or bad you and bad up your mother. Which one?
No, but you look like you
Then hug me up then.
You look like you want go.
Either hug me up or bad me up. Which one?
You good, man. You good.
Oh.
No, I mean the one see hand kind like you know what I want to do here.
No, man. If anything, me want a little bit more. Because you haven't done son, so you have.
Later.
Damn, done said.
Oh yes, you reach the end. Remember, share first, like, subscribe. But back for the Panama trip. Yes, I am having a Panama trip. It's for people who never traveled before and want to travel. Yeah, the flight is very cheap. But if you want to donate right now to who you want to see, go to Panama, link Toga, the number with the right or so. Or I don't know which number I'm going to put them, but I'm going to link him. And even if you travel before, you want to come and tag along with me and take some picture and do a movie over Panama, link me up same way because we are going to shoot movie over there. So we get to in our movie soon itself on the screen. Remember, one link, Panama, December, late September to early October, no later than that. Any later than that, the flight gone sky high. 19 night, yeah, we are staying 19 night, but if we can't stay so long, you know, some people work, we can cut it down to the 5 night, 7 night, 14 night, 10 night, any amount of night when we can find phone. Reasonable, no problem. Big up, bless up.